Hi everyone, it's me again, Moonquest, and once again, welcome to my channel. And thank you for all those who have subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button below, and also the notification bell, so that whenever there's a new video, you will be the first one to be notified. Alright? So on the previous lesson, we learned how to tune the guitar and also the different parts of the guitar. Okay, as I mentioned on the previous video, this will be a series of videos because we cannot put the whole course on how to play guitar on one video. Okay, so that's why I made it into several parts. Okay, so today what we're going to learn is how to get or pick a good guitar. Okay, it's important that you know how to pick good guitar. Okay, and there are several ways to do that. The first one is to test the accuracy of the fret. So we already know what is the fret from the previous videos. So these are the fret. It's the space between the metallic bar. Okay, so these are the fret. Okay, and then the second one is the mechanical test of the fingerboard itself. Okay, this is the fingerboard, right? So to test if it will produce a good and quality sound. Okay, and the third one is the ease of pressing the strings. Okay, so that you'll not get sore finger or blistered, and as well as it will not tire your hands easily. Okay, so those are the three things to consider in getting a good guitar. Now, on the first one, how are you going to test the fret if it's accurate enough? So all you need to do is to first tighten all the string. Okay, tighten them in a full tone. Okay, using the tuning keys. Okay, so tighten them all. Let's say this one is a new guitar, so let's say we already tightened it, and then all you need to do is to press each string from open to the 12 string, and you will know that it is accurate if it produces the whole musical scale of the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Okay, so the do, the lower do should have, the whole scale should have the lower do and the higher octave do. Okay, so how to do it? So I'll show you. For example, this one. Okay, you got on the 6th string. This is the 6th string, the top string. Okay, so pluck the first the 6th string. Okay, and it will produce a do sound, a lower do. Okay, and then press on the 2nd fret of the 6th string. It will produce the re. Okay, and then the 4th, mi, and then the 5th, fa, and then the 7th, and then the 9th. Okay, and then the 11th, and then the 12. Okay, so if you notice, it produces the musical scale do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So that's how you do it. Okay, so okay, so if you get the sounds right, try to do it on the other string, which is the 5th string. So pluck it openly, same thing, 2nd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, 7th fret, 9th fret, 11, and the 12. Okay, and then on the 4th string, do it also. So do it on the whole string, the 6th string, up to the last one. So if all of the string produces the musical scale do, re, mi accurately, so that means that the fret is accurate. Okay, now the second test would be the mechanical test, which is you're going to tune the guitar. Okay, so from the sixth string to the 1st string. Okay, so we already learned how to tune a guitar, so that's what you're going to do. So again, all you need to do is to get the E on the 6th string. Okay, so once you already get the E, okay, so you can try to press it on the 5th string, 5th fret, and pluck it, and then it should get a unison sounds of the 5th string when you pluck it open. Okay, so as you can see it's the same, right? Okay, so and so on and so forth. So we already learned how to tune it. Okay, so once you already tune it, so try to strum on one of the major chords. Okay, so whatever chords that you want. So let's say try to pluck A major. So if it produces the right sounds for A chords, A major, so that means that the guitar, the mechanical of the guitar is good. Okay, so and then try to observe also the roundness of tone and the loudness of the sounds of the guitar. Okay, for example, on my guitar here, so I can see that this is a good guitar because it produces the roundness tone and the loudness. Okay, as I mentioned, this guitar is acoustic with a pickup. So this is the pickup of the guitar, but it doesn't work now. Okay, it's already broken, the pickup guitar. But if you notice that when I play it, it still give me the roundness of the tone and the loudness, the full loudness of the guitar. Okay, see? So that's the second test that you have to do. Then the last one is the ease of pressing the strings. Okay, if you notice me, when I press the string, okay, so I don't put too much pressure, but I can get the right sounds and the right tone. Okay, so it produces the right sound without giving too much pressure when pressing the string on a certain chord. Okay, so those are the three things that you have to consider when getting a new guitar. Okay, so that's about it for this video. Okay, and we'll see you again on the next one, and thank you, and please share this video, okay, so that many will learn how to play guitar. And if you have suggestion or requests, you can also comment on the comment section below. Okay, please don't be shy, you can comment. Okay, negative or positive comments, there's no problem. Okay, so until then, love and peace to the universe and back.